Custom properties are very handy for relaying information about a part into a drawing or a bill of materials. To take a look at custom properties, let's go up here to the top of our screen and click on Now, if I go back over here to this part, if I go to the custom properties, I'm going to call this one block. Click on OK. Go back over here to the drawing, and you can see now it says block. So to do something like give it a time and date stamp down here at the bottom of the screen. And up here at the top, I can actually show you the path where that file is currently saved. So I have a whole bunch of things that I can link together inside of a drawing and pull from custom properties or values that SOLIDWORKS knows about behind the scenes. Now going back over here to the custom properties of this part here, I can click on this, see all the values, and if I want to save or copy these, I can do it pretty quickly by using the copy command. So click on the very first line here, go down here to the bottom by holding down Shift and click on the last line. Now if I try to right click and click on something like copy or paste, which pasted all those custom properties from the other part, and now I can change the name to something else besides block, and now I have all those custom properties saved for this part as well. Now, if you don't want to automatically always cut and paste your custom properties from one part to the next, you can also save a blank document with all these pre-filled out for you. So because each part will have a different description, let's go ahead and delete that block from there and keep everything else the same. Click on OK, and then come up here and go to File, Save. Template. So anytime I open that template, it will have all that information preloaded for me, so I don't have to type it in or reselect it inside of that part. Go ahead and name it whatever you'd like, and then go ahead and click on Save, and now you've got a brand new part template that you can use for any of your new documents. Check back next week for more tasty bites of SOLIDWORKS knowledge.